It is quite hot today. It's almost 30, but I love it. I think it feels very summery, this type of temperatures. I miss having gym membership, and currently I'm thinking about buying another annual pass. I love going to the swimming pool during summer. Actually, I love going to the swimming pool anytime. This week I finished another project in my work, which is setting up and designing a brand new marine aquarium. My clients took the aquarium back to their house, and after giving up the aquarium, I like to treat myself. I like to do something fun, so I went to the nearest expensive grocery store and I bought there a lovely cake, which I've been admiring for quite some time. So I invite you to enjoy my finished aquarium. Maybe you will like it as much as my clients did. I also wanted to show you the cake. It was marvelous. To celebrate it, I bought this lovely cake. I think it is very lovely and very unusual. Tiny macaron. Yeah. Apparently inside it has 3 kind of mousses. One with passion fruit, one with strawberries, and one with It is tasty in a very sophisticated, delicate way. You can definitely taste the passion fruit in it, and this is something that I love because I love passion fruit. These two doing great. Cherry tomatoes already have some little tomatoes on them. The Ramiro pepper is blooming. So these two doing wonderfully. But this one, actually my favorite one, is doing miserably, as you can see. That is why I want to change the soil here, I think, because the only difference between these three is in the soil. I will change the soil here and hopefully they will revive and they will come back better than before. And actually they have some pepper. Currently my hairs are very long, they are waist length, but I'm growing them out to be even longer because I want to donate them to charity. Charities have their minimum length for hairs which they accept, so that is why I'm growing my hairs to be even longer than they are today, because I want to cut them at shoulder length and I need to have my haircuts to be at least 1 feet or 30 centimeters. And hopefully in 2 weeks I will be able to cut them and to have a brand new haircut. So this is my length. What you won't do for a good cause, right? I think it's worth it.
I've seen queens in fur coats shopping up and down that strip. And I've seen ladies wearing shoes from Paris who thought they were